Her mother and aunts called the old hunched-over lady Granny. Her aging arthritic hands, disfigured and gnarled, held a worn-out doll with no hair lovingly to her breast. She frightened the young child peering out from behind the dark green sofa, who wondered, why does she think that doll is her baby? The old lady was humming a lullaby and gently caressing the doll's cheek. The child, with eyes like saucers, looked with gathering fright at the white-haired old woman. She noticed something odd about the old lady's shoes. Why did she have that one black Oxford with that extra big heel? Must be heavy. Maybe that was why she walked all hunched over, holding onto that ugly, gnarled driftwood cane. The old woman coughed and slowly began to rise from her chair. A sudden fear crept over the child. She stood up, ran like the wind to her room, and hid under her bed, hugging her favorite doll, the one with the long blonde ringlets tightly to her chest, happy in the knowledge that she knew it wasn't her baby. Anyway, I will do a quick one for you, Susie, a memory one.
Okay.
This one's called Ink Stain in the Rain. The cold wind scrapes and rapes the soft, supple satin drapes in the cave of evening shade. Under gunmetal sky, cracked, splintered, and dry, we play our tragic masquerade. On the mantle of doom and foreboding gloom, we reach for this dream we're chasing. We can't quite grasp enough of it, just a quick silver touch of it. This dream daughter time is erasing. I reach for your hand in a grandstand, but your body's a river, a fast running shiver, and you let go of my hand. Engulfed by the ocean and fading emotion, you have let go of my hand. Nothing is as we planned. Love, letters, and pain, left out in the rain, became a fading ink stain. Now, days without sun, the moon's come undone, and I've become the rain. Thank you so much, everybody.
Give me a run for the money there. That's great.
Give it up for Candice James, everybody. The amazing Candice James. Now we have one more. Someone just give up.